How to replace all RGB values in a Numpy image array based on a target pixel. I have an image in a Numpy array. I will replace a specific color with black and all others in white. For loops are too slow and my Numpy condition is not working. All pixels that matches an array, 121, 112, 131, must complete replace with another array, 0, 0, 0. All other with 255, 255, 255. My results ends up with overseen pixels that matches with the first channel, true, false, false. Sorry for bad spelling, I hope my code is better to understand. My example result. Output. Problem. There are pixels left when the first channel is equal to the target color.
Your image shape is 768, 1024, 3. You want to make a mask of where it is equal to a 3-element array. You have found that a correct way to do this is. This works because the shapes are broadcast from the rightmost dimension. You do not need to compute image not equal target to get the inverse mask. But you won't need to do that. You can create the output array. And you can set the masked elements. The index column is important because you need to tell it to take everything along the third dimension, while the mask takes care of the first two.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.